second row sensation. Listen to the ocean and enjoy this incredible villa. Tucked under live oaks and overlooking the lagoon, you will love this beachside setting. With vaulted ceilings, dining under the moonlight and open floor plan, this beautiful 2-bedroom is turnkey perfection. The 2 big bedrooms include remodeled baths with primary suite walk-in shower. Features include LVP flooring, large deck for al fresco dining and a very comfortable floor plan. Located in Palmetto Dunes with 3 championship 18s, pickleball courts, bike paths, and the shops and restaurants nearby in Shelter Cove.